Let's talk about why your lights may be blinking or flickering. I was dispatched to a customer's home one day, and when I got there, her power was on, but she was experiencing this blinking and flickering occasionally. And I explained to her that just prior, a couple of weeks, I was on the scene installing some of the outage prevention technology that she was experiencing. What it does is, if it sees a fault, it will redirect the power, keep on as many customers as possible, isolate the problem, and therefore it minimizes the number of outages that we have. Our outage prevention technology is doing its job. Now, instead of experiencing an outage that could last for hours, you're only experiencing a flicker or a blink. So if you get home and your microwave clock is blinking or your bedroom clock is blinking, just know we're doing our best to keep the power on. This is one of the many things we do to improve reliability and better serve our customers.